Hello everyone, my name is Denise HO. I am a singer and pro-democracy activist from Hong Kong. So as you all might know, in recent years there have been a very mass genocide in Xinjiang, where the Chinese government have been using all sorts of means to try to extinguish the Uyghur community and the culture that is very precious to their community. And so this is a tragedy in modern day with their concentration camps and with a lot of families separated because specifically of this situation. And as people of the world, we should condemn this action from the Chinese government, the regime of the communist government, and also at the same time we have to support the people, the Uyghurs worldwide, where they are trying their very best to preserve their cultures and their language. So I would like to call for your support to the European Uyghur Institute, where they are doing specifically this work to help the Uyghurs in Europe to preserve their language and their cultures. So please help if you can, and we stand together with the Uyghurs.